Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Ethereum from Kraken to another wallet. So I will try to explain it. Now, what you need to do basically first in the receiving wallet. So if you have MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet and etc., you will need to select Ethereum. Now there you will receive a copy of the public address. So this allows you to copy and paste the address. Um, Try not to type it by hand so that you avoid probably some mistakes which can happen. Now here in the Kraken, let's head over here to the portfolio and right here select withdraw button and we will select Ethereum, so which we want. Now also at the external wallet, so like MetaMask and so on, you will also select the network. So also here in Kraken, you will need to select the same network which you have selected at your external wallet. So let's say we want to withdraw in Polygon network and just click on that. Now right here, you will enter address. So this address is from the external wallet, which you have copied a few seconds ago. Now you can also add a nickname so that you know for the next time when you will again withdraw from Kraken Ethereum to your external wallet. When you place this here, paste this here and add nickname, you can add withdraw address. And after that, you just confirm the transaction and it will happen. It will probably take a few moments, but eventually you will withdraw from the Kraken to another wallet. And this is basically how you can withdraw Ethereum to external wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next